As a web hosting server, your VM should have a static IP. Uh, s- Over here, it's showing as external IP, but this is not a static IP at the moment. We need to make this a static IP address. Therefore, we'll be doing some changes in Google Cloud Platform, and from there, uh, we'll go to navigation menu and then look for VPC network. Let's just pin that. Now VPC network, and then go to external IP addresses. Now we have an external IP address panel open. Here you'll see your VM instance assign an ephemeral IP address. So this is a temporary one. So if your VM is restarted, it may be given a new IP address, which you don't want for your web server. So click on, we need to change it to static. So click on ephemeral here and choose type as static, and it will open up a reserve new static IP address. Write any name and description for it. Let's just say Google Cloud Platform. And since description is optional, just if you want to put anything, you can put it. So let's click on this reserve button, and now it will reserve that same IP address already assigned uh, as ephemeral into a static IP. There you go. Now it's a static IP address. So just remember that Google uh, charge for this static IP. So maybe in the future. So just keep this tab in mind. You're basically paying for static IP.